Lesson 2. Who were the Umayyads? Benchmarks. In this lesson you will identify the Umayyad caliphs and some important people and events of this time. The Umayyad clan ruled the Muslim world after the last Rashidun caliph, Ali, was killed in 661 AD. The Umayyad clan was from the same tribe as the Prophet Muhammad's family. The third Rashidun caliph, Uthman, was also a member of this clan. The Umayyad Caliphate became the biggest state that the world had ever seen, and Islam spread to many parts of the world. The Caliphate grew to include places like Sindh and Punjab, now in Pakistan and India, Hispania, or Al-Andalus, now in Portugal and Spain, the islands of Rhodes and Crete, in Greece, Morocco, Algeria, in North Africa, and areas in Central Asia. The Caliphate ended in 750 AD, when the Abbasids came to power.
A new capital city, Damascus. The Umayyads moved the capital city to Damascus in Syria. There they built buildings such as the great Umayyad Mosque of Damascus, which is still used today. Today the old city of Damascus is a World Heritage Site because of all the important old buildings in the city. The people who lived in Damascus and the Caliphate were not all Muslim. In fact, the majority of them were from other religions. The great Umayyad Mosque in Damascus. 1. Put these three caliphates in historical order. Umayyad Caliphate, Rashidun Caliphate, Abbasid Caliphate. 2. Were the Umayyads from the same tribe or the same family as the Prophet Muhammad? 3. Did the Umayyads make the caliphate bigger or smaller? 4. What great building can we still see in Damascus that was built during the Umayyad Caliphate?
Caliphs of the Umayyad Caliphate. The first 4 caliphs of the Rashidun Caliphate were elected as leaders of the Muslim people. During the Umayyad Caliphate, caliphs were not elected. The new caliphs inherited their roles from their fathers or uncles, so the caliphs came from the same family. There were 14 different caliphs during the Umayyad Caliphate. They came from 2 main families, the Sufyanids and the Marwanids.
Timeline. The last 7 Umayyad caliphs. The last 7 caliphs were all descended from Marwan I. They ruled until 750 AD, when Marwan II and his family were killed. The Abbasids became the new caliphs, but one of the Umayyads, Abd al-Rahman, escaped to Al-Andalus, and later a new caliphate was created in Europe. Keywords: descended from, coming from the same family, sharing the same ancestor. 1. Look at the timeline of the last 8 caliphs. Ask each other questions about this timeline. Who ruled the longest? 717 AD, Omar ibn Abd al-Aziz. 720 AD, Yazid II ibn Abd al-Malik. 724 AD, Hisham ibn Abd al-Malik. 743 AD, Al-Walid II ibn Yazid II. 744 AD, Yazid III ibn al-Walid. 744 AD, Ibrahim ibn al-Walid. 744 AD, Marwan II ibn Muhammad. 750 AD, end of the Umayyad Caliphate. 2. Now look at a family tree of the last 7 caliphs. Most of them were sons or grandsons of Abd al-Malik. Ask each other questions about his family tree.